Now let us understand question number 4. In the fourth question it is given that study the diagram. One diagram is given and one information is given that line L is perpendicular to M. So you have to first find out, the first part of the question is CE equals to EG. So see here, this is line L perpendicular to line M. Now where is CE? I'll draw that part here. They are asking about CE is equals to EG. So where is CE? See here, third number. 3 is C. Then you have E is here. Okay, fifth number. So you have here D also. 1, 2. See how many units? 2 units. Same way to C and E. So if you want to get CE, here you have E. So see, you have to get first to CD line segment and DE. So CD plus DE, you will get it as CE. Correct? Now here we have 2 units. Same way EG. E is here. Here you have F and here you have G. So now you count EG. See, this complete line is EG. And in between, you see this is one line segment and one line segment. Correct? If we talk about line segment on that line. Or see the units 1 and 2. Correct? So here also you have 2 line segments and there also. Then only you get the CE. And these are equal portions. This is also 2 unit. This is also 2 unit. So here you see that CA is equals to EG. So here you write down yes. You will rub this part. You will draw the rough work first and then finally below that you will write down CE is equals to EG. This is correct. Now let's solve the B part. See, in the B part it is asked to find out that whether PE bisects CG. So from the given figure, I will again redraw this figure and only focus on line segment PE and CG. Where is PE? See, on this line M, there is a point P and here the fifth number, this point is E. So, and what is C? G. C is here and G is there. Let me draw that. So, on a line, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 sections. And here you have third number is C. Then you have D. This is your PE. Correct? See here, this line, PE. So, for now, I will remove other part. See here, this is my E and this point is P. So, this is my line segment PE, which is, see, crossing this line. Where is C, E, F and G? See here, this is CG. What is asked? That does PE bisects CG? This is the line CG. And who is intersecting? Which line is intersecting? PE is intersecting on line CG. At what angle? See, it is making a right angle. First thing. So, when the two lines intersect at right angle, they are perpendicular. But they are asking, are they perpendicular bisector? So for that you have to see whether this part and this part is equal. Find out. See, C, D and E. How many units? 1, 2 units. And from E to G, see here, correct. It is bisecting exactly at that point from where this line CG is divided into 2 equal halves. Here also you have 2 units and here also you have 2 units. So for this also the answer will be yes, PE bisects CG because PE bisects line CG into 2 equal halves. So this will be your solution. You write down the solution. I have told you the statement that yes, PE bisects CG because line PE bisects CG at point E where line gets divided into 2 equal halves. In the C part, the question is identify any two line segments for which PE is perpendicular bisector. That means, see, can you see this line M? It is bisecting on the entire line, correct? It is given in the book. This figure is given. Now you have to find out any two line segments where PE is bisecting. This is your, it is given here, this point E, and this is your P. So PE is perpendicular bisector. See, if we take DF, isn't it correct? Yes, it is correct. See, DE is one line segment here, 1 unit, and from here also. So if we take DF, so what do we see? That PE is perpendicular bisector because it is dividing DE into exactly two halves. This part is equal to this half. So one line we got it as DF. There can be many. You can then take CG. Check CG also. Perpendicular bisector. Yes. See how many line segments here? 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. So it is dividing this line segment CG into equal halves. So one other line segment what you got is CG. Same way you can take it as B and 1 section, 2 and 3 units, 1, 2, 3. Yes. So you can take it now as BH also as a line segment. Here also you will see that this line BH, see, is getting divided into exactly 3 units from here also and from here also. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there can be many. So any two are asked. So you just show any two. You can use your color pencil for suppose you have taken DF. So what you do, you take any pink color or any other color pencil and show line segment DF with same colors, correct? Then you take another color pencil, take for example green, sorry. So for this you take it as green. Here one line segment, 2 line segment like this, and from here also 1 line segment and 2 line segment, and this will become your CG. So these 2 lines, see here 2 units and 2 units. So on the same line you can use color pencil also and then mention the line segment. So this was solution for your C part of 4th question. Now in the D part of the 4th question, it is in the form of true and false. One statement is given, that is AC is more than FG. You just find out whether AC is more than FG. Locate where is AC. See AC. 1, 2. How many units AC has? 2 units. Now what about FG? Where is FG? See FG. Only 1 unit. Correct? See FG has only 1 line segment. FG, this is only 1 small line segment. And here when we talk about AC, so AC has, here it is made by 2 line segment AB plus BC, or we can take it as units also because they are in equal portions, correct? So here we see it is 2 units and this is 1 unit. So is it greater? So your answer will be yes, it is greater. Now for the second one, let us find out what is the question. The second question is CD is equals to, what is that? GH. Now see, where is CD? Now remove AB, concentrate on CD. CD you have 1 unit, and where is GH? Now see GH. See, this is your GH. So what will you do? Every time for true and false, you draw this figure, or the same thing what I told you is for AC and FG. You write down this with pink color pencil, and here also you mark AC with pink color and FG also with pink color. So you will know that which true and false you are talking about, because you have taken here how many units. With that same color pencil, match the colors. Now here you take it as blue color pencil. Now CD, mark this with blue color, and GH, blue color. What do you see? 1 unit. So is it true? Yes, here also this statement is true. Now the third one is, let me see. It is BC is less than EH. I'll write down here. BC is less than EH. Now find out where is BC. See BC. How many units? 1 unit. Where is EH? See EH. your EH. It is made by how many line segment? See, 1, 2 and 3. Which is greater? EH is greater. So here also we see that the third case is also true. So here also the answer will be true and the third one is also true. But BC has only one line segment. BC is made by only one. It is only BC, a small part, correct? With one unit. And here if you talk about EH, you see EH is made by EF plus FG plus GH. That is here if we talk about units, because they are in equal portion. So that is also correct. So here any more questions? No. So here we complete exercise 5.5.